Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will now learn how to manage leaves, which means apply, approve, reject, and cancel leaves. So let's get started. Once we click on the LeaveHub app, the very first page which will appear is the apply leave page. This page normally is available under leaves, and the very first option is apply leaves. So we have three sections on the apply leave page. First is the leave application, the second is the leave allowance, and the third one is the upcoming holidays of the company. So for the leave application form, we have to just select the leave duration, whether it's of 1 day or whether it's a range or whether it's a half day. So let's say if we select a half day, then the half day leave can be applied. If we select a range, then a date range has to be provided as to start date and the end date for the leaves. The count of the leaves will be automatically calculated. So in this demo video, we will just choose 1 day as the option, and we choose a particular date for the leave. So we chose 17 September. Then we have to select the leave type. So here we will select casual leave. Once we select casual leave, then under the leave allowance, the annual allowance, what is the balance, and if the leave is approved, then what will be the remaining balance, everything is displayed. If we choose sick leave, then the same information as per the sick leave is displayed. So we go back and select casual leave. Then we have to mention the reason, which is a compulsory field as to why a particular user is applying for the leave. If there are supporting documents to be provided, then it can be provided under the upload supporting document option. Then click on the submit button, then the leave is submitted successfully. Under the my leave application option, we can see the leave application number and the status as pending. It is because the leave is not yet approved or rejected by the leave approver. Now we'll see how the leave approver can approve the leave. So to approve a particular leave, the leave approver has to go to the LeaveHub app. Under the menu left hand side, we have to go to the approvals option. There the leave approver can see the application number, the requester, the type of the leave, and the application status. Application status as pending, and under the action column now there's an approve button, then there's a reject icon, and there is additional information which will provide the details like the reason for the leave and the date and the application number. So clicking on the green icon will approve the leave, and the leave application status will become approved after the leave is approved. Now we'll see how the leave requester can cancel an approved leave. So this is a scenario where the leave is already approved, but now for some reason the team user or the team member wants to cancel the request and wants to cancel the leave. So for that they have to submit the cancellation request. So now we are first creating one dummy leave application where the requester is submitting the leave. So this is the same as the previous part of the video. So we'll just quickly run through this part where the leave request has been submitted. Now we'll go to the leave approver where he will approve the same leave request. You can see the leave request application number. Then we'll just click on the approve option. Then now the leave is approved. Now we'll go back to the screen where the leave requester can see this approved leave under the my applications option. So we are now logged in back as a normal user who requested for the leave. Under the my applications, the user can see which one was the approved leave. So this is a particular approved leave. Now they want to put a cancellation request, so you can see there's a cancellation icon. Then the requester has to mention why he is cancelling a particular leave. So he is mentioning health feel better, and then submit it. So then the request goes back to the leave approver. who will now see the status of the application has changed from approved to cancellation requested. So now the approver will just approve this request, and now the status will become cancelled. So now this leave will no longer be considered and the leave balance will be accordingly adjusted. Now we'll learn about how to reject a leave, or how the leave approver can reject a particular leave. So leave requester will submit a leave, provide all the details like the leave date and the reason, submit it. Then the leave requester will go back to the same page from where he approved the leave. So in that same form, there is one more option called as a reject, where a particular request could be rejected. For every rejection, the leave requester has to provide as the reason for rejection. So this is a compulsory field. Once the rejection is provided by the leave requester, he has to just click on the submit button. Once submitted, the status of the leave will become rejected, which we can see here. Now we'll see how a user can see the leave balance and how many leave balances are available for him. So under the menu, we'll see the leave balance. So for sick leave, the allowance is 6, he has used 1. For casual leave, the allowance is 7. The balance is what is available. So this is the option from where the user can see their individual leave balances. So we hope this tutorial helped to understand about the application of the leave. Thank you.